Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Y'all know everybody say that, and we're gonna keep it the same. Today, I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite techniques. So, we all know that fall and winter is approaching, and the go-to hairstyle is of course bangs, and everybody knows my bangs are bomb. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to create a Billions bang. Let's get started. So to ensure that the model receives the best results, meaning flat and sleek look, I'm gonna be using our Mink Silky Straight extensions. This is 36 inches. No, we do not sell 36 inches online. It's gonna be a nice fine texture. You can still see her face within. We don't want it to be too full and too thick. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and a pair of tweezers to make sure that we don't create a bang that's too wide or too round or too short. When I part my bang, it's in the middle of her eyebrow. So you see how her eyebrow stops here and here? I wanna make sure that I'm parting it right in the middle of her eyebrow and not on the outsides of her eyebrow. Make sure that the wig or weave is even. Now this is the only section that I'm gonna be working with right here. And then I'm going to twist it only one time, making sure that I cut it right at where her nose is because I don't wanna make it too short starting out. And I'm gonna cut below my finger, not cutting straight across, but doing a slight point cut. The point cut creates texture so that your bang isn't so blunt and hard. As you can see, when you start to comb it out, it starts to frame her face, right? Looks better, yes! Now I can go out even further if I wanted to, or if I wanted to make it more straight. So in order to make the bang shorter, I'm gonna take one section. Let's do this side first. And I'm going to point cut again. All right, and there we have our cut. Now, before I go any shorter, what I'm going to do is bump the bang so that I can know exactly where the bang is gonna fall, get a realistic vision of where the bang is gonna lay once it's styled. Then I'll be able to trim it up from there. Now when I'm bumping, I wanna make sure that whatever iron I'm using, it has a little curve to the side, not just a straight plate. All right, and I'm gonna go in. Now, while I am bumping, I wanna make sure not to turn my wrist too much because I don't wanna create a hard bump, but just a slight bend. All right, so realistically, this is where the bang will fall. Now it looked from her head frame, I think I want to bring this out just a little bit further on each side. So now I can go ahead and trim the sides a little. And make sure your client is comfortable. Can you see?
A little bit.
All right, so let's make it a little shorter. tuning into my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe below and check out the rest of my channel.